नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं आहार द इंटरनेशनल फूड एंड हॉस्पिटैलिटी फेयर में, जो कि हो रहा है प्रगति मैदान न्यू दिल्ली में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है आईटीपीओ ने। वेलकम टू आहार सर। हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस विद आहार सो फार?
Very good. Ahar is one of the best platform for B2B business in food industry, and we are participating in Ahar since last more than 2 decades. And this year the footfall is very good, and Saturday and Sunday is also included in this Ahar, so it is having more response.
And sir, tell me something about your product range.
We are basically manufacturers of bakery raw material, and we have an industrial unit at Sonipat, Haryana, and we are making raw material for cakes and pastries. So our products are basically used as a raw material in bakery industry, and we have also started up with a bakery consumer pack products by name of Baker Fantasy. So our old company is by name of Ornima, and the new company by name of Baker Fantasy is catering to the use of the home bakers. Many small home bakers are now entering into this new chain of bakery industry. Girls are making cakes in their houses, muffins and all, yes. So we have so my daughter-in-law is looking after all these products, and very good, we are getting very good response.
And what are your future plans? Expansion, like?
We have our own manufacturing unit in Nepal, Bangladesh, and so right now we are planning to have one more manufacturing unit in Sri Lanka, and we are exporting to different countries. So just we are right now we are focusing on developing India for export of our products to outside India.